Not sure how to use your LG AC remote? Model number AKB75415316. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The orange on-off button powers your LG AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. The light-off button turns off the display light on the indoor unit, helping reduce brightness at night while the air conditioner continues to operate normally. Click the Comfort Air button to enjoy cooling that's truly comfortable. The AC automatically adjusts the airflow upward, so no cold air blows directly on you. Perfect for sleep, work, or relaxing without harsh drafts. Press the Mode button to cycle through different modes depending on your need. Cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature. Perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling. Great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling. Ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode. It warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode. The AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating, based on room temperature. Fan speed lets you control how strong the air blows. Press it to cycle through low, medium, high, or auto fan levels. Whether you want a soft breeze or powerful cooling, it's just one click away. The up and down buttons let you control how cool or warm your room feels. Press up arrow to raise the temperature, or down arrow to lower it, 1 degree at a time. 5-in-1 4 modes. Mode gives you 4 different cooling levels so you can balance comfort and energy savings. Each press adjusts the AC's performance in percentages of its total cooling capacity. Press first time, 100% power, full cooling for maximum comfort. Press second time, 80% power, strong cooling with moderate energy savings. Press third time, 60% power, balanced cooling and reduced power use. Press fourth time, 40% power, gentle cooling, saving more electricity. Press the H kappa button to unlock heavy-duty cooling power. Your AC delivers powerful cooling with a maximum capacity that may vary by model from 110% to 116%, along with a 2 times faster vertical swing for quicker and wider air circulation. Air direction controls let you guide the airflow exactly where you want it. Use the vertical swing button to move the louvers up and down, and the horizontal swing button to adjust them left and right. Room temperature button shows you the current temperature of your room, not the one you've set. Just press the button, and your AC displays the real-time room temperature on the screen. Diagnosis helps you troubleshoot your AC using Smart Diagnosis. Press and hold the button for 5 seconds, and your AC will send data to the LG ThinQ app or an LG service center. Sleep mode is designed for a restful night. When activated, it slowly adjusts the temperature to keep you comfortable while saving energy. No chills, no wake-ups, just smarter cooling while you sleep. Press the function button and opens up extra features like Energy Saver, Filter Clean Alert, or Air Purification, depending on your model. It gives you quick access to smart functions for better control and comfort. Navigation arrows help you scroll through settings and adjust values. Use them to set the timer, change modes, or fine-tune temperature and fan options. Timer mode lets you schedule your AC to turn off automatically. Just set the hours, and your AC will shut off exactly when you want. Set/cancel is used to confirm or cancel settings like the timer or special modes. After adjusting any feature, press this button to lock it in or exit without saving. If your LG AC remote isn't working properly, the reset button can restore it to factory settings. Just press the reset pinhole, usually with a pin or paperclip, and the remote will reboot, clearing any errors or glitches. Press and hold the temperature down arrow button and the mode button together for about 3 to 5 seconds. The temperature display will switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know what every button on your LG AC remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.